The virus that causes COVID-19 and other pathogens are reminders that bad air can kill. You want protection to keep you healthy and give you peace of mind, but you won't settle for just any protection. You want the best out there. ActivePure. The ActivePure system has origins in the NASA space program. It's even been inducted into the Space Foundation Hall of Fame. ActivePure is used daily by offices, hospitals, schools, government buildings, and homes. So how does it work? The ActivePure system dispatches invisible supercharged submicroscopic particles at tremendous speed. The particles collide with viruses, bacteria, and other nasty things and immediately turn them into harmless byproducts. ActivePure works within minutes on both air and surfaces. It comes in portable and built-in units for any space, from gigantic ballrooms to elevators. It's affordable, easy to install, and virtually maintenance-free. It's like invisible personal protective equipment, or PPE, for you and your pets. Sounds too good to be true? Independent FDA-compliant lab testing has shown that within minutes, ActivePure neutralizes more than 99.9% of pathogens, including the virus that causes COVID-19. To give your family and your customers peace of mind, choose ActivePure, protecting lives with air you can trust. To get ActivePure for your home, office, store, or organization, go to www.activepure.com or contact your local distributor.